Hi friends, I just wanted to let you know that I miss you very much and I can't wait to see you again. What we are going to be working on today is Everyday Math Lesson 6.8, and we're going to be talking about the order of operations. So our goal for today is to solve two-step word problems using the 4 operations, and we are talking about PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So today we are focusing on just parentheses. So when we are working on parentheses, you're going to do what is in the parentheses first. And what I like to do is I like to take what's in the parentheses and do that, and then I will write above it what the answer is, so it's easier to work with when I move further. So we're looking at 9 plus 5 first. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So I'm going to write 14 above it. So it makes it easier when I move to the next step. So now I have 18 minus 14, which that would give you 4. So I'm going to write my answer over here to the side. Now we're going to look at number 2. We have 75 minus 29 plus 5. Again, we do what's in the parentheses first. So I'm going to write it down here underneath. It's easier for me to do my subtraction that way, because I can see it right in front of me. Now, if you're looking at this, you notice that you cannot subtract this way because the 5 is bigger, or the smaller that's on the top. So I'm going to trade first. I'm going to make the 7 into a 6. And I'm going to take the 5 and make it into a 15. And now I can do my math. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And so my answer up here is going to be 46. Now we move to the next step, which is 46 plus 5, and 46 plus 5 gives you 51. I'm going to erase this so that we can see for the next one. Now we have multiplication in the parentheses. So 9 times 3 is 27. Again, I'm going to write that up top. And now I'm going to have 8 plus 27. So I'm going to write that underneath to make it a little bit easier to do the math. And remember, this time we are adding. So 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 35. Going to erase this so we have more room to work. Now we move to number 4. We're doing what's in the parentheses first again. So 15 plus 3 gives me 18. Going to write that up top. Makes it easier to do the next step. 36 plus 18, and I'm going to write that to the side so it's easier to add. Six plus 8 is 14. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. And our answer is 54. I'm going to erase this. All right, now we're going to move down to number 5. We are doing some division. So we have to do our division first. So 10 divided by 2 would give me 5, because 2 times 5 is 10. So now we have 50 minus 5, and 50 minus 5 gives me 45. Again, number 6, we're doing the parentheses first. 15 plus 5 is 20. Write that up top. Now we have 20 divided by 5 equals something. We can also think of this as 5 times what gives me 20, and the answer is 4. Now we are going to look at inserting parentheses to make each number sentence true. So we have 20 minus 10 plus 4 equals 6. So we're going to go through and do the 20 minus 10 first. 20 minus 10 gives us 10. If we add 4, that doesn't give us 6. So we can't have the parentheses around the beginning. So when we're adding parentheses, we have to do a little bit of trial by error. So now I'm going to do the parentheses around the 10 plus 4 first. So 10 plus 4 gives me 14. And 20 minus 14 would give me 6. So that would be correct on that one. So let's go over to number 8. We have 20 minus 10 plus 4. So let's put the parentheses around the beginning. Two numbers. So 20 minus 10 gives me 10. 10 plus 4 gives me 14. So the parentheses there would be correct. On number 9, we're going to do the same thing. So 100 minus 21, and I'm going to do the work up here. Okay, we have the zeros on top, so we can't use those first. We have to do some trading first. So the 1 becomes a 0. The 0 in the middle becomes a 9. The 0 on the end becomes a 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 79. So we have 79 plus 10 gives us 69. Okay, that doesn't work, so I'm going to erase my parentheses. And we're going to move over here to the next side, and do 21 plus 10, which 21 plus 10 gives me 31. And let's see if 100 minus 31 gives me 69. So I've written it up here at the top. Have to trade first. The 0 becomes a 9. This 0 becomes a 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6, and that gives us 69. So you want the parentheses around the 21 plus 10. Okay, move to number 10. We'll try the parentheses around 100 minus 21, which we did the work over here, and we know that it's 79. So 79 plus 10 would give me 89. So that's the end of our lesson for today for math. I wanted to let you know again that I miss you and I can't wait to see you. If you have any questions, your parents can respond to me on Remind, and I will talk to you later.